Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be saying how I make my favorite recipe, spaghetti white sauce pasta. To make this dish you actually don't need spaghetti, you can use any kind of pasta, and I'm so excited because I love cooking and you're gonna see my experiment doing all Italian dishes. Please, after you watch the video, kindly let me know which dish you want to see me making and treating you guys. So yeah, let's just begin.
I'm using a pressure cooker to boil spaghetti pasta. I fill some water, I'll add some olive oil and some pinch of salt. I'm adding very little salt because we'll add while cooking pasta as well. And then close the lid and keep it in the stove for just one whistle. So when your spaghetti is cooking, keep ready your veggies. I'm using mushroom, green capsicum, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, yellow zucchini and some sweet corn. You can use any vegetables. You can even use non-veg. And then I'm using some broccoli, one full chopped onion and 6 to 7 garlics. So this particular ingredient is a secret ingredient for white sauce pasta. So take half peeled onion and one bay leaf and then sandwich the bay leaf with the cloves. This ingredient will be used in white sauce. Meanwhile, pasta is cooked. Next, let's begin with white sauce pasta. So I'm heating a pan. After it's heated, take 1 tablespoon of butter. Wait for the butter to melt thoroughly. And then add 1 tablespoon wheat flour. Mix until it becomes like a paste. Add some milk and keep stirring until it becomes a consistent paste. After adding the milk, add the secret ingredient. This will enhance the taste and the smell of white sauce. When the sauce comes to consistency, switch off the stove. So now let's make pasta. In a pan or in a kadai, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then check the heat. Add the garlic. Stir for a minute and then add onion. Once you finish adding all the onions, keep stirring. After 2 minutes, add oregano and chili flakes and pepper powder 1 tablespoon each and mix well. After the onion is transparent, add all the veggies together. Mix all the vegetables together so that the oregano and chili flakes catch the veggies. Next, add salt according to taste. I'm adding very little salt because too much salt is not good. So once you're done mixing, cook the vegetables by covering it with a lid. So now you can see the water is separated from the vegetables. Now I'm adding broccoli and then again mixing it well and cooking again for another 5 minutes. If you want, you can add pasta water. I have added, it's optional. When the veggies are cooked completely, add the pasta. Remove the secret ingredient, I mean the peeled onion with bay leaf, and add white sauce into the pan as well. I'm using peri peri mix to enhance the taste. If you have it, you can use it, or else you can add little more pepper. So here I'm using half slice of mozzarella cheese. I feel I need to add more cheese to make it more cheesy. So yeah. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. I felt salt is a bit less, so I added little more salt. Again, it's optional. You can do it according to your taste. So presenting you healthy white sauce pasta. Please do try this at home and let me know.
நீ எப்படி இருக்கு?
Super.
ஏதா உப்பு கம்மி காரம் ஜாஸ்தி நல்லா இருக்கா? Okay. Thank you. So I hope this recipe was very easy and you can make this white sauce pasta for any other dishes, Italian dishes, and I hope you will definitely try this recipe, and please comment below and let me know the feedback, and also if you want me to cook something else, please let me know. I'm very excited. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like this video. Please tap that bell button so that you get notification whenever I post a video. Okay, bye bye.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. ಯಾವುದು ನಂತನಿಗೆ ಬರ ತೆಗೆ.
If you like this video, please don't
subscribe.
No. Okay.
I hope you guys will definitely try this. What is wrong with you? Why are you laughing?
Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets